77 right now with Redman. What's up, sir?
What's good? Hey,
Redman's a little bit red right now.
Yeah, no, I'm fucked up in Hamilton, but we gonna do it for BillieBad.com, bitches.
We got Redman in the building tonight. Club 77. Hold on. If you're trying to hear Redman, make some fucking noise.
Is Hamilton in the house one time? Sword up, shotgun, hand on the pump, shipping on the smoking hummer. Bust my gut, Redman then jump. We go la 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 la. We go la 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 la. Put your hands together and make some noise for Saukrates. Hamilton, how you feeling? When you were under the gun, that's right. Well, I've seen this place before, but it's never been so fun. It's never been so fun. Let's go, son, here we go. I've been on the run, but shit, the ways of time. It's not to make sense to me. Baby, I can't really make it up. I can't really make it up. Now, I ain't know Hamilton that well, but I told him, look, Hamilton is close by Toronto, so when we get to Hamilton is gonna be off the fucking chain.
BillieBad.com, bitches.
Can you nothing but salt and pepper? It'll get you right. You got too much sugar, it'll get you high. Salt and pepper, it'll get you right. You got too much sugar, it'll get you high.
Yo, Skittle. Now I've heard that you catch more bees with honey, but what about the